Yo, what's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna go ahead and continue on the speaker pods that we was working on and get those knocked out and screwed out the way. All right, this is what I got so far. So yeah. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and duplicate this onto the other side. Yeah, try to get the heights as equal as possible. The same on the other door. So let's do that.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive. So I almost gave it. All this shit I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase. Nobody see my face. I was chasing at the paper. Been all the for the ways.
All right, so I got to this point. Already glued up everything. Got everything situated where I want it to be. Let me show you guys how it looks. So yeah, got everything situated. Glue down everything nice and tight to the frame of the pod, and that's how I'm going to orient the thing. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of this normally I use fleece, but they didn't have no fleece on island, so I'm going to go ahead and use this felt. It's not as stretchable. It kind of when you stretch it, it doesn't return back to its normal shape. So no, I'm just going to go ahead and use it, try to the best of my abilities. You don't have to use this. You could use t-shirts. You could use any stretchable material. So this is what I'm going to use today. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do a time lapse and me gluing this up, gluing the felt on top of the rings and gluing it to the frame, getting everything tight. So let's go ahead and do that.
Really, real, no, this is not for play. I see you and you see me, you wanna ride the wave. I can spot you from a mile away. Tap the gas and I'm gone, this is not a race. I just bought some racks in. What's happening? It's just me and my guys, I'm got no rap friends. You ain't see the front, but talking back ends. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go. Oh my God, 3 cars, 5 jobs, slam door, off the law. Shorty said she got the wop, I just want the wop. Posted money on the snap, that'll get you robbed. Nike tag, shot wet, 3 dice bet, head crack flags. This is not a question, I don't ever practice, never act in, always act in. Back in 2010, we all sipping activists. Now these beats are taking damage like my kidneys is. Already got the crib, I think it's time to flood my wrist. But gets along her neck, I just iced out my chick. It's not what you know, but what you do with it. I do it the best, don't care if you did it. Stayed down till I came up, now I'm 2 in it. Money in my sleep, I'm a true business. I need a Louis bag for all this cash or something.
All right, so I'm pretty much finished with that. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and mix up a little bit more resin and seal these ends to the actual frame. Make sure the outer shell is solid with the inner shell. I'm gonna do it on both sides, and then after that dries, I'll flip it back over and seal the back end. And then the next process will be to go ahead and fill in the inside, make the shell a little more rigid, and then that will be it.
Okay. Do good, do great, and and they talk bad on you. No need, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the bank and get a bag or two. My mama asked me why you got that cash on you. Second you switch up, they might get mad at you. No, you're not my friend, so no, I'm taxing you. You're all like my sons, I'm going dad on you. Okay, good job. Get mine, no prob. Hit my line, you're irking me. I hit that woosah. No, I don't got perks on me. I sleep good on God. Spend that money, make it reappear. Ta-da. I've been getting paid. I've been eating good. I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother babe. This is like a warning shot to get up out my face. This is like a warning shot to get up out my way. This is like a warning shot to get up out my lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 7. My girl said I'm a dog, but all dogs go to heaven. Thank the Lord when I wake. I've been sleeping like a baby, cause I know my paper straight. Another day to the grave. I get it cause I got to. I got kids, I need the bank. Thank the Lord when I wake. I've been sleeping like a baby, cause I know my paper straight. Another day to the grave. I get it cause I got to. I got kids, I need the bank. I've been getting paid. I've been eating good. I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother babe. This is like a warning shot to get up out my face. This is like a warning shot to get up out my way. This is like a warning shot to get up out my lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 7. My girl said I'm a dog, but all dogs go to heaven.
All right, so this is where we're at. Next step, we're just gonna go ahead and start to wrap this with some fabric and get this out the way.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do